Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple dark and light red gradient. I used it for a ribbon I've created previously. You can find a link to it in the description. First we'll create these two custom swatches. Let's swap the fill and the stroke and set the stroke to none. Now either press the letter M for the rectangle tool or select it from the toolbar panel and draw a square. Let's create a copy. Select the first square and then double-click on this fill color to open the color picker window. Here we have all the values for a selected color. We could just pick a color from the color palette, or if we know the specific color's value, we could type it into a corresponding field. I'm going to use this dark red and type its hex value into this window. When you are done, click OK. Let's do the same with the other square. First, click on it to select it and then open the color picker window. This time I'm going to type a different hex number to get this light red. Now select both squares and then open the swatches window. With the squares still selected, click on the new color group icon from the bottom. If you wish, give this group a name and click OK. And we've created a group of those two specific colors. Now we'll make this simple gradient using our two colors. Let's create a larger square. With the square selected, open the gradient window. If your gradient window is not showing, go to Window and select Gradient. Click on this tiny arrow, scroll up and choose the white and black gradient. The white on the gradient slider corresponds to white on the left side of our square, and black corresponds to black on the right side of our square. To create our gradient, we need to change the white and black color stub to our chosen shades of red. Click on the white color stub, and then, while you are holding down the Alt key, click on the dark red from the group we've created. Now click on black, and while you are holding down the Alt key, click on light red from our group. Next, all we need to do is adjust the location of our color stubs on the slider. Click on the light red, hold and drag it to the center until the location shows 50%. You will notice that it is extremely difficult to stop right at the 50% mark. To do it right, open the location pull-down menu and choose 50, or we can type 50 into the location window instead. Now we will copy the left dark red color stub to the right side. First click on it, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the Alt key as well to create a copy. Now drag it all the way to the end of the slider and release your mouse. Finally, we will adjust the top sliders. Click on the left top diamond to select it and either drag it to the 80% mark or choose 80 from the pull-down menu. Now select the other top slider and change its location value to 20% to space the color stubs equally. And here is our simple gradient. Now we can swap the fill and the stroke, choose the pen tool and draw a curved line. Duplicate it, switch to the direct selection tool, select these two end anchor points and join them together. Now let's do the same with the other side. And finally, click on this double-sided arrow to swap the fill in the stroke, or press the Shift and X key on your keyboard instead. And here is the segment of our ribbon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.